decreasing. We have to.
Guys, he's lagging, really, he's lagging. He's lagging.
We have to generate and we have to increase.
Guys, I'm really going. I'm going.
But our sisters, our mothers are there going anywhere, and they are facing too much things. Like our nation is not secure.
Yes.
They should support the people.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Like poetry and
I have welcomed here some of the wise. Well, this activity is for maintaining the speed of speaking. What happens that when we talk about fluency development, we just start saying because of not having a speed, and that is why today I have welcomed only boys today, not girls, because I just want them to argue, I want them to fight, I want them to maintain the speed of speaking. Excuse me. Well, this practice, this activity is only maintaining the speed. I know how they will speak, I know how they will talk. It is really not okay. I mean to say that maybe we will not be able to understand what they will say because they will be speaking in a speed. But don't worry about the meaning today. Don't worry about sentence today. Don't worry about words today. Don't worry about anything. But yes, speed. Because I just want it to be twisted. I want them to have speed up talking. Excuse me. You can see the way they are crazy about speaking. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Fine. Excuse me. Come on. So, first of all, tell me how many people got 10 numbers? 10 numbers. 10 numbers. Only one. Okay. How many people got 9 numbers? 8 numbers? 7 numbers? 6 numbers? Okay. 5 numbers? 4 numbers? 2 numbers? 1 number? 0 number? No, some people got 0 number, man.
Sir, I want my number.
I will tell you right now. So guys, first of all, as I told you, excuse me, the handsome guy sitting here. The point is that it is your naiya.
Yes, sir.
Do and make kalayya.
Yes, sir.
So that you can make your pahiya.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So, who will be starter? Who will be starting?
I want to start.
So listen my disclaimer. Kaf is sitting, he will be sitting here, he will be listening. And if you stop even 0.5 second, Kaf will go from here.
We will not stop.
So do you want Kaf sir to go?
No, sir.
No. Really?
Yes, sir.
Let me see your capacity today.
Yes, sir.
Let me see your capability today, right?
Yes, sir.
I know that Suzaf will break this chain.
No, sir.
Satish will break the chain.
We will not break, sir.
He will break the chain.
No, sir. We will not break the chain.
Okay. I know, but don't worry about the meaning of the talks.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about formation of sentence.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about words, but speed of speaking.
Yes,
That should be English. You just have to speak English.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 2.5, पौने 3.
What is the problem? Society are facing nowadays a very problem that there's lots of people that we are facing problems. There are lots of thieves that the thieves are coming in the night and they are stealing our problems, our things. Our things and there are lots of people like we are talking about our sisters, our mothers are there going anywhere and they are facing too much things like our nation is not secure. In this time we are calling to the police. The police are not helping us. Why they are not helping us? We are building the nation. They are wrong things happened and we have to do something for the nation. What is about deforestation?
10 numbers.
Cashless system is very dangerous our society. Please stop cashless system because we choose to. I see we choose student. He not entering because of he is SC. Please stop cashless system. Please stop. Please stop.
He's stopping. Oh my God, he's stopping.
Stop. Please stop cashless system. Casteism system.
Casteism.
Casteism system most dangerous our society.
Yes.
Please stop.
Yes.
Stop casteism system.
Today I would like to talk about our society. In our society there are a lot of problems. There are a lot of happening wrong things. Like that one thing in my one opinion, people in our society, people think about own self, about their selves. They don't try to think other person. They don't try to think doing and something and unique.
Guys, I'm really sorry. No, guys, he's not.
I'm talking about the society. You know very well about that. India is the youth country, and the biggest problem of the youth of the unemployment, the biggest problem, the relationship with each other.
Yes,
the problem of the life
yes,
expectancy,
yes,
the problem of the expectation of more high and hand, and the biggest problem the compare each other. Ki I'm not good looking, and cancer are looking very smart, and I'm not good looking. And the problem of the society nowadays, so many people are getting the depression because of the people are not good health. So many people are not because so many people are sick. Because so many
I don't want to listen.
Yes,
I don't want to.
And do you know, guys, because
Please
of
stop
education, because of unemployment, we have to talk about our parents with the clearly, because whatever you have problem, don't share with the friends, you share with the family, because the family will decide your life.
Society creates a gender equality. He want to do something, but I want to do something other. Society is very dangerous for me. Gender equality. He not allow the woman for something other. He discriminate of the.
Really, he's stopping, guys.
Pollution increase day by day. We have to stop vehicle for we have to increase electric vehicle because they are not that much pollution, and poverty is also decreasing. We have to.
Guys, he's liking. Really, he's liking. He's liking.
We have to generate and we have to create employment. We have to increase job, and we have to increase.
Guys, I'm really going. I'm going. He's really. No, guys. He's pausing, guys. Oh my God.
There are a lot of problems in our society. Lack of knowledge.
Yes. I can kill you. Oh my God. Are microphone.
I can rape someone without any reason.
Yes.
Or nobody knows how to behave to elders. Like if I don't know how to behave to others, that's my wrong. That's problems in our society. Or anybody's.
Many people die because of lack of medicine. Many people die. Many people face many problems. People eat peoples. And
Sir, why is happening suicide day by day increasing? Because of sir, domestic violence, because of the sir anxiety, because of the workload, sir.
Guys, really?
We are depressed, sir. We are pausing.
मैं चला जाऊंगा. I will really go from here, guys.
Sir, no, sir. We are lots of expectation. That's why society is happening, sir.
Yeah.
Do you know what is that?
Society is happening. Society is happening.
Society is happening.
Suicide.
That's why lots of people did suicide. Sir, if you talk about the NEET and JEE,
Yes.
sir, the quota is the lots of the graveyard of the student of the suicide.
Yes.
Sir.
Oh my God.
Solution. Sir, solution is we have to understand our purpose. We have to understand our creative. We have to do what can I do. We have to don't think what he is doing. We have to expand expectation our less.
Guys, really? Oh my God! No! I want to go. He has stopped. Society. Come sit down here. Society.
70% of society only having understanding the people. The remaining 30% of people not able to understand the people.
Wow. Yes.
They should support the people.
Oh my God!
most of the people live in village. Many people are farmers and lots of problem facing. Many people's farmer work
Guys,
destroyed
if
by
you
the
stop, I will
hailstorm.
fall down directly.
Destroyed by
I
the
will fall
hailstorm.
down.
So please,
I will fall down.
and many people live in village, and village people are facing lots of problem like poverty and.
What is suicide? Suicide is called that if you want to succeed in your life, you will have to work on that. Without having, you cannot do for anything. Without work hard, you cannot do the for. If you want to succeed in your life, you will have to work on it. If you
We have to temperature increase day by day. We have to.
People are health is down because people are living. People are eating plastic. People are living, drink plastic. People run plastic. People are sleep plastic. People are move plastic because plastic is everywhere. And we drink plastic, and because plastic is everywhere.
We drink plastic?
Yes, because
By
of
plastic.
water
Oh, by
bottle.
plastic.
Yes,
Yes.
because, plastic stop our drainage system, and it creates a disease problem. It creates disease, and plastic is everywhere because street animals are eating plastic. It will die, and when we will.
क्या अंग्रेजी मजा आ गई. Clap for everyone. और यही लड़के कभी नहीं बोले. बहुत अच्छे. अरे वेट मजा आ गई.
Yes, sir.
Everybody has developed fluency right now.
Yes.
इसी को कहते हैं अपने से नदी से निकलना. That's your language. But and पहली बात इन तेज बोलना नहीं है. We don't have to speak like that.
Yes.
Only for your twisting your tongue.
Yes, sir.
We have done this, right?
Yes, sir.
I would like to give feedback here first of all. The way Akram spoke, it was marvelous. The way he spoke, it was marvelous. The way Salman spoke, but first he spoke well. But this time it was not that much okay, but it was good. Saurabh also spoke well. Satish spoke well by sitting, but later on he paused. That was not. Oh my God, what a great personality he was speaking. Come on, I can stab you. And wow, clap for Nawaz.
Nawaz Sharif.
It was really fantastic. So in other activity of Prime Batch, we will do something unique to make you fluent speaker, right? Come on. How did you see this activity? Did you like this activity?
We love this activity. Sir, we love this activity.
Should we do kind of khurafat every day?
Yes, sir, every day. We want.
Really?
We want, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Are you energetic?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, say that subscribe this channel.
Subscribe the channel.
Oh, sorry?
Like, subscribe, and share.
Where to share? Share?
Everywhere.
In every group.
Madhya Pradesh, right? You're from Madhya Pradesh?
I am from Madhya Pradesh, and I want Kevsar channel is whole the country know Kevsar.
Oh my God!
Sir, I want to tell you one thing.
Oh, don't speak incorrectly, sir. I will fall down. I will fall down.
I will tell you about the your YouTube channel, sir. Because I am from Jharkhand, guys. I don't know about how to speak
If
English,
you
but
speak incorrectly, sir.
yes. But nowadays you can see I'm the fluency, and sir, I can speak, and I can speak fluency because of the cap, sir. I will tell you one thing, guys. Please do help and keep watching and keep subscribe and keep like. Thank you. हम करते रहे हैं ना.
Keep subscribing.
Keeping subscribing.
Guys, forgive us. We are making mistakes are proof.
Yes.
We are trying. Come on. Mistakes are proof. We are trying. Come on. Mistakes are proof. We are trying. Mistakes are proof. We are trying. Mistakes are proof. We are trying. We will grow together.
We will go together.
Supporting each other.
Supporting each other.
We will.
We will.
Supporting.
Supporting each other.
Bye bye.